Here we're going to talk about the motion before part 2 of this video. So we're going to make sure we roll the whole quad from hip to knee. We can pin and rotate our femur, which is moving the lower leg. We can also roll, and then we can also shear side to side. What's really great about rolling this muscle group, like we're doing here, is that it shares a really deep connection with our hip flexors, which connect from the front of our pelvis to our back. So if you are sitting a lot, you can get some lower back relief and some front hip flexor release just from rolling from your hip crease down to your knee. It's also going to help in any athletic performance, walking, running, lifting, because these muscles can just get really tight from long periods of sitting. They also get tired, or I shouldn't say tired, they also get really worked and tight from a lot of movement too. Enjoy!